So part 3 from The Price of Privilege talks about parenting for autonomy. There are 2 chapters. The first chapter, chapter 6, How We Connect Makes All the Difference, discusses the 3 parenting styles that are in most households. And it then moves on to talk about the warmth of a relationship. This is how positive, encouraging, and welcoming the relationship is between the parent and the child. And the last thing it discusses is the types of warmth. When relationships are too warm or too cold, there are often negative consequences. The next chapter, chapter 7, Discipline and Control, the Tough Job of Being Bad Cop, talks about how affluent parents often struggle with discipline, and it tells the factors that often tie into this. Then it discusses the consequences that these kids have for having no discipline growing up. It's not beneficial for them to have no discipline. And then the last thing this chapter discusses is considerations that parents might have to develop positive discipline and control in their household. Even though this section is framed in a parent-child relationship, it connects to the classroom because teachers have to decide what style they want to run the classroom. They determine how warm the atmosphere of the classroom will be in the beginning of a year, and they also have to decide how they want to give consequences and how much control they want to have over the class. And so there's all these good questions discussed in this section.